we're doing that question.
Good. For number 2, I want you to find the area of the base first.
Okay.
The base is the one that's shaded.
Okay. All right, I got that.
What is the area of the base this time?
Area of the base.
Yes.
The area of the base is 6 and 5.
Okay, so what is the area? Those are the dimensions. Multiply them together to get the area.
6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 11 is 330.
What are the units of the base area?
The units of the base area are inches.
It's not inches. Areas are always squared.
Yeah, squared.
Inches squared.
Uh-huh.
The volume is the base times the height. The base is 30. The height is 11. Give me the final answer with the correct units.
Give me the final answer with the correct units.
Yeah,
330 inches cubed.
good.
Got that answer before you did that.
All right, number 3 we'll look at next. Well, I want you to do it the same way. I want you to find the area of the base first. There's a reason for that. What is the area of the base in this problem?
Nothing. It's just there's nothing.
Well, no, it's the top there. The dimensions slide up like this. This is 4, it slides up. 3 slides up there. What's the area of the base?
Area of the base.
Yes.
The area of the base is 4 times 3.
Okay, 3 times 4, which is 12. What are the units?
Well, what are the units? What are units? Feet cubed.
It's an area.
Feet
Area.
squared.
Feet squared. The volume is the area of the base times the height. So the base is 12. What is the height in this problem?
The height.
Yes, the height.
The height is a 10.
It is 10 in this problem.
And that's gonna
Give me
yeah.
the final answer with the correct units.
120 feet cubed.
Yes. Good.
Yep. Yeah, these things I got the answers before we were doing them.
Are you ready to do number 4?
Yep.
So for number 4, it's a different shape. What's the shape here? What's the name of this?
That's the radius.
What's the name of this solid?
The solid is the cylinder.
Yes. And can you remind me the formula for the volume of a cylinder?
The area times the area of I know what it is. And the base area times the height.
Exactly. So the base area this time is a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared.
Pi r squared, yeah.
Okay. What is the radius in your problem?
The radius is 7. What you need to do is 7. 7. You need to use the pi for 7 squared. 7 squared. 7 squared for pi.
Okay. Could you calculate that and round it to 2 decimal places?
But there's 18 inches. We have to do that too.
We're going to find the area of the base first. We want to do this in stages. Go into your calculator and give me that answer to 2 decimal places, please.
Okay. 153.86 inches.
Okay, so 153.86 inches squared.
Mhm.
That's fine.
And then for that, you need to divide by 18,
Not divide,
but multiply.
multiply by 18, and
Yep.
then give me
That's what you
the
get yourselves in the answer.
give me the final answer with the
Yep.
correct units, please. Sourish, may I know why it's taking you so long to give me the answer to this?
276.948.
Why is it taking you so long for you to give me the answer?
I'm trying to put this in my, I'm trying to solve this on multiplication, the long multiplication.
Yeah, but you had the answer. You were just waiting to tell me the answer. What are the
Yeah,
correct
I'm just-
units?
Yeah, 276.948 inches cubed.
Okay, when you have the answer, you have to tell me. I mean, I don't know what you're doing. I already have it up on my screen, but if I give it to you, then you have the answer without doing it. So I'm asking you when I ask you to do the calculation, I want the answer as quickly as you can give it to me.
Well, I did.
You waited until you waited until I asked you for the answer.
Okay, I was just working, that's why.
All right, let's look at number 4. The next time that you don't give me the answer, we're just going to stop the lesson. So as soon as you have it, please give me the answer. There's
But
no
I was
reason.
not yet done, that's why.
There's no reason it should take you 3 minutes to do a calculation like that. That's way too long. All right, this is number 6. I'm skipping 5 for now. Come back to 5. What is the area of the base? The area of the base is pi r squared. What's the value of the radius?
The value of the radius.
Yes, 8. Pi 8 squared.
Yeah.
So I'd like you to calculate that. And as soon as you have the answer, I want you to give me that number, please. Round it to 2 decimal places.
Okay. Okay, 200.96
Okay, so you said about 200.96. What are the units?
inches squared.
What are the units?
Centimeters squared, centimeters squared,
Centimeter
sorry.
squared. Good. Yep. Very good. Volume is base times height. What's the height in this problem?
10. I'm gonna multiply by 10.
Yes. Sourish, it
Yep,
shouldn't take,
200 point.
you're doing the calculation only when I come back on the audio.
200.960. I said it already.
That's not the correct answer. Did you multiply that number times 10?
Yeah,
What is the answer then?
200.960.
Read the digits that you see.
Yeah, I just multiplied by 10.
Okay, and multiply by 10 but moves the decimal place. So tell me the first digit you see to the left of the decimal.
A 0. I multiply by 0 and yeah.
Okay, let me, are you using the Desmos scientific calculator today?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to type in exactly what I have here. I'm gonna snip it in and I want you to read to me exactly what you see on the right.
Okay. Two thousand and 9.6.
Okay. What are the correct units of this?
2000 and so yeah, 2000 2000.96. That's inches cubed.
Look at the units one more time.
Centimeters cubed. Sorry about that.
Centimeters cubed. Good. Okay. Good job. Then we're going to look at another problem here. We're going to go back to 5. 5 is a more difficult one. Let's take a look here. Okay, 5. The volume of a cylinder starts at the base. The base is pi r squared. Are they giving you the radius down here in the bottom?
Yeah.
They are?
No, diameter.
Okay, how do you find the radius from the diameter?
Radius from the diameter, you should just do 4 squared.
Why would you square 4? 4 is not
Okay,
the...
no, nothing, okay, nothing.
How do you get the radius from the diameter? The radius is the distance going out like this from the circle. The diameter is all the way across. Here's the radius, but if you go all the way across, it's 2 radiuses or radii. What's the value of the radius if the diameter is 4?
Radius of the diameter?
No, the diameter goes all the way across the circle. Diameter goes
Okay.
all the way across. The radius does not. It goes halfway across.
Okay.
What's the value of the radius?
Value of the radius is 4.
The diameter is 4. The diameter goes all the way across the circle. Radius does not. It starts at the center and goes out.
Okay.
Can you tell me the value of the radius? Sourish, do you understand my question?
Yeah, I'm trying to think. It's R equals, I don't know.
Well, tell me what you see in the picture. What do you notice about the diameter? It starts on the circle, goes to all the way to the other side of the circle. Does the radius start on the circle?
Yeah,
And where does it end?
at the center.
Okay, so it's not the same as the diameter. Is it bigger or smaller than the diameter?
Bigger or smaller than diameter? Um, bigger.
Okay, I mean, I'm at a loss here for what to do because the picture I've drawn, the circles are approximately the same size. The diameter, even if you're just counting this, even if you're just sitting there and counting the boxes, there's no way the radius would be larger. Just looking at it. I mean, just counting boxes or just kind of estimating the size.
Okay, okay. It's smaller.
Yes, it's smaller by how much though?
Smaller by 4.
Okay, the radius is half the diameter.
Yeah, so it makes it 1/2.
So what is half of the diameter in this problem?
Half of the diameter of the problem.
Yes.
4.
What is half of 4?
2.
Okay, so the radius is 2. The radius is half the diameter. The radius is 2. All right, could you calculate the area of the base, please?
Calculate the area of the base.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have an answer for me?
I'm getting to that. 2 squared, yes, 4.
What am I asking you to calculate?
2 squared. Well, pi times 2 squared,
Okay. What is the result of that?
3.14.
Give me the final answer. Everything multiplied together.
Okay. Okay. 4 times 3.14. I know that answer. That's 12. That's 12.56.
Okay, now look at the units in the problem. M and M. What's the units of the area?
M.
Yes. What are the units of area?
12.56 meters cubed.
Nope. Let's go back and look at the previous problem. What were the units in the previous problem here, Sourish?
Centimeter square, so it's meter square.
Yes, it's meters squared. Okay. Now, how do you calculate the volume from the base?
Multiplied by 9.
Base times height. Can you figure out, tell me what 12.5x time 56 is times 9?
Yeah.
And give me the correct units as well, please.
Okay. Hundred and 13.04 meters cubed.
All right, I like the answer. What's the relationship between the radius and the diameter? Sourish, do you understand my question?
Yeah, what is it's cube, the centimeters cubed square?
That's not what I asked. If you don't
The
remember
answer I
my,
got is 113.04 meters cubed.
I understand that you said the correct answer and I said, very good. And then I asked you a follow-up question.
Hello?
Are you able to hear me, Sourish?
Hello?
Sourish, are you able to hear
Hello?
me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Oh, there's something wrong with my internet.
Okay. I'm asking you the relationship between the radius and the diameter. How do you go from one or the other? What's the relationship between the radius and
Divide
the
by
diameter?
2.
Okay. So here, I'm going to give you a problem. Here's a circle. Let's say the
I
diameter,
don't need a problem. I got it. Divided by 2.
I would like the value of the radius. Can you tell me the value of the radius, please?
The value in the radius.
Yes.
The value in the radius that you remember that is 8.
What are the units?
8 meters squared.
Lengths, like diameter and radius, they are single units.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another one here. Let's say I give you a circle and I tell you that the radius is 5.5. Can you tell me the value of the diameter, please? 5.5 inches.
Yeah.
What is the value of the diameter?
Value in diameter. You have to multiply by 2.
Okay, can you tell me the result of
5.5
that?
times 2. I know what that is. 11.
What are the units?
11 inches squared.
Again, single lengths like radius and diameter, just inches. Single lengths are just the single unit. All right, let's look at another problem from your worksheet there. Look at 7A. And I want you to first calculate the volume of this. Okay, we'll get to the surface area, but I want you to calculate the volume. We've done 3 examples. You should be able to do this now. If you have questions, please ask, but I'd like you to calculate the volume.
Okay. All right, the surface area.
I'm not asking for the surface area, Sourish.
Okay, okay.
What am I asking you to calculate?
The volume,
Yes. And
50
have we,
times 12.
oh, I just want the final answer. We've done
Yeah.
3 examples. You have 3 to look at if you have
One
questions
or
on,
80.
I'm sorry,
1 or 80.
is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you one more opportunity to work through this problem, and then otherwise we're gonna go back and rework the 3 previous problems. This is just like the 3 previous problems we did.
Okay.
Okay, Cyrus, why don't you let your dad know we're all done for today?
Yeah, I just need a little. Okay,
Why don't you let your dad know we're all done, please?
okay. Oh, wait, no, he has some work to do. He's